Hi everyone! In this video we'll show you how to bend and shape the lotus flower to make it look more realistic in your projects. This laser plant is a little different from the others in the range because it floats on water. So we'll start by creating an almost flat base. First, pick one of the larger groups. This layer should stay mostly flat, but to add a bit of movement, use tweezers to gently lift the tips of the leaves. Next, grab another group. It can be the same size or slightly smaller. Then, start curving the tips of the leaves inward and pull the leaves up toward the center as if you're closing the plant. Keep shaping until it looks like this. For a more natural look, we recommend stacking at least 3 layers. Start with the larger group, then go smaller as you add more. Choose where you want to glue the plants and use cyanoacrylate to fix them in place. To avoid using too much glue, place a small drop on a flat surface. Lightly dip the plant into the glue, then position it where you want it. You can also use the single leaves. Glue them around the lotus flower to make it look like a few leaves have drifted away and are floating on the water. Add as many plants until you're happy. Find the full range of laser plants on our website and more tutorials right here on our YouTube channel.